This chili sauce is so easy to make and very versatile. You can eat this with practically anything. I make this about twice a month because my family loves it so much. Let me show you how I do it. The ingredients are listed on the screen. I prefer to use the Chinese chili peppers because they are not too hot and they have a certain sweetness to them that's really good in this recipe. So to a saucepan, add some cooking oil. You're going to need quite a lot of oil to fry the chilies properly. You want to set your saucepan to a medium-high heat. And to your saucepan, add the chopped onions and the garlic. And you're going to fry them until they are golden brown. Now this is going to take quite a few minutes, so you want to keep your eye on this and stir it occasionally so that they don't burn. Okay, if you leave this alone, the likelihood of you coming back to charred onions is very high. So stir this occasionally and keep your eyes on it. Once the onions and garlic are browned, you can turn the heat down to low and add the rest of the ingredients. I added the pepper flakes and then the chili powder. Also add in your soy sauce, the oyster sauce, and then the cooking wine to deglaze the pan. Be sure to use milder chilies when making this recipe, and you could even sub the chili powder with paprika. I've experimented with very hot chilies and I ended up in premium tears after tasting it. Okay, at the end of this video, if you stick around, I'll give you a tip for draining out the excess oil before you eat it. At this point, I tasted it and I decided to add some extra salt and chicken bouillon. That's just my preference. Feel free to adjust the taste to what you like. And that's basically it. You can turn off the heat. Your chili sauce is ready. When it is cold, you should transfer it to a sterilized airtight jar. Now, it's very important that your jar is extra clean just to ensure that your chili sauce stays fresh and good to eat in your fridge. After transferring the sauce, I'm going to add some extra oil on top to cover the sauce fully, and this will help with preserving it as well. The flavor of the sauce will continue to deepen in your fridge, which makes it really delicious to eat. So you can eat this with anything that you like. My children love to eat this with eggs in the morning. That's kind of their breakfast thing. Remember to always scoop this with a clean spoon or a fork, no double dipping. Now, if you like to drain the excess oil, you can just scoop some of the sauce onto a paper towel and let it sit for about 10 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, and then plop it into your plate when you're ready to eat it, and you're good to go. And that's all she wrote. Thank you so much for being part of my video today. If you found any value in it, please like and subscribe, and join me for next week's video. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.